Francisco gets a very interesting wide receiver here, Quinton Patton, out of Louisiana Tech.
Quinton Patton started his career at Coffeyville Community College. He transfers to Louisiana Tech in 2011, starts all 13 games, 1,200 receiving yards. 2012, starts 11 games, 1,400 receiving yards. This guy was a man among boys. He absolutely took Will Davis to school, the Utah State quarterback, and Will Davis got drafted in the 3rd round. The only player remaining on my board with a 2nd-round grade is Quinton Patton, and the San Francisco 49ers continue to do this round in and round out, get players that belong a round or 2 earlier, get players that are higher on other teams' boards, and find productive football players that can come in and play. This draft, Eric Reed's a starter. Cornelius Carradine, Tank Carradine could be a starter and an impact pass rusher. Vance McDonald, tough.
Fills the need when Delaney Walker left.
Get down the field, exactly. Corey Lemanois, my main man, baby. Corey Lemanois coming in off the edge, and now Patton, who's going to be a productive number 3, I think, at the least for this team when it's all said and done.
Got 21 catches against Texas A&M. That put him on the national map. 11 catches. You mentioned that Utah State game against Will Davis. 11 catches for nearly 200 yards in jump ball situations. He gets the best of you. Now, he only did 8 reps at the combine, but he plays a lot stronger than that. There was no evidence of that when you watched him play. Then he does the 8 reps, which kind of raised the red flag. I wouldn't worry about it. He plays faster than times. I thought he was a surefire 2nd-round pick. The Niners get him in the 4th round.
Just under 2,600 receiving yards and 24 touchdowns in 2 seasons at Louisiana Tech.